Hey, it's Starfish of Fire, and I'm back with another hot sauce review. So today, I've got two sauces, both from different companies. I've had these on my shelf for a little while, and I've been wanting to try both of them. I've had one from this company before, and I have not tried one from this company. So we're going to start with, from Fresco sauce, chili de arbol. You can see there, very pretty looking. It's got a little flame sis, so it says 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 flames. It's got 4 of the 5. So I guess this is going to be pretty hot. So let's take a look at the ingredients first of all. Well, let's see what it says here. A hot sauce that you can get addicted to. The flavor makes you want more, and you could not stop. A tangy, sweet, and spicy flavor that goes great with a lot of things. Okay. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Ingredients: water, red bell peppers, red wine vinegar, mangoes, garlic, arbol chili, salt, black pepper. Okay. So this is a very basic sauce, which is cool. Peppers, vinegar, mangoes, garlic, the chilies, arbol chilies. Doesn't really say what chilies. I guess arbol. Well, we're gonna give it a go. Let's see if this has a quick release. Does not. Alright. Got the Johnny Scoville spoon. And we're going to see what this is all about. Now it says 4 out of 5. It's going to be sweet, I think. The mangoes. Mangoes are coming through with the garlic. Wow. It's got some... This actually might have some heat to it. Alright. Let's see what this pours like. Okay. Nice. Nice medium build. I'm going to take that right there. Alright, so this has got a nice look to it. I can see stuff floating in it. It's got a nice texture. Body. See what the mouth feels like. And there we go, Starfish of Fire. Wow, okay. So the red wine vinegar and the red bell peppers are really coming through. The sweetness of the mangoes on top with the garlic and a little heat behind it. I'm already thinking what this would be good with. Got it. So, spaghetti bolognese, also known in some parts of the world as spaghetti bowl. This needs to go on top of that. This is perfect for that. Even though it doesn't have tomatoes in it, with the red bell pepper and the garlic and the peppers, the hot peppers, to top off spaghetti bowl, this is what you need right here. Not too spicy. I'm going to go with a heat rating between a 2 and a 3. Nothing that's going to do you in, but great flavor. And the sweetness of the mango comes through. Want one more dip of that. To the point where And that garlic just rounds it off. Wow, that is an excellent sauce. Okay, so we're going to be using this weekend. I already have an idea of what I'm going to be making. So from Fresco sauce, chili de arbol, spaghetti bowl. Check it out. Awesome sauce. Alright, so our next sauce. This one I've had for a while. It's from Lucky Dog. I got this in my Heatness subscription. Oh, it's been probably, well, it's been months. Now, Lucky Dog makes quite a few sauces from what I understand. I have not tried any of their sauces. This one says to use on meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and pretty much anything. Now this is the Lucky Dog Black Label Special Reserve, and it says a Heatness exclusive. Food's best friend, Lucky Dog. Cool label. You can see that there. Got a horseshoe with a little puppy dog's head. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Alright. White onions, water, apple cider vinegar, apple juice, apple sauce, jalapenos, scorpion pepper mash, scorpion peppers, salt, garlic, dried figs, sea salt, lime juice concentrate, agave syrup, ghost chili powder. Okay, so let's look at this a little closer. We start out with white onions. That's the main ingredient. Followed by water, apple cider vinegar, so apple juice and apple sauce. Okay, so fruit right up front with onion. Jalapenos, scorpion pepper mash, scorpion peppers. Then you throw in some dried figs, salt, lime juice, agave syrup, obviously what you use in tequila, and ghost chili powder. Okay, this is intriguing. Okay, let's see where they go with this. I'm very perplexed. Quite the combination of ingredients. All right. Onion straight off. Some fruit. Wow. Okay, so the onion is the thing coming through on the aroma with a hint of sweetness. Let's check it out. Lucky Dog Special Reserve Black Label. Okay. Medium bodies. Ooh. A little chunky stuff coming out there. Okay. That had a little bit on the end of that, the applesauce thing going on there. Kind of cool. I haven't had applesauce since, I don't know, as a kid maybe? I don't know. We're about to have some though. Alright, let's check this out. Lucky Dog Black Label Special Reserve. This is Starfish and Fire. Wow. Okay. A little bit more of this here. Okay. This is well blended. Onion and sweetness right up front. The burn's starting to come through now. And I have one more just to see what's going on here, but this has got some heat to it. The flavor profile, though, okay. Whew. Okay, so the first thing that hits you is the onion. Follows up with the sweetness of the applesauce. Somewhere in there is a texture of the agave syrup that complicates it a little bit. The heat is riding on the back. It's on the lips, the roof of the mouth, and slightly the back of the throat. This is a complicated sauce. I'm trying to think what I'd use it on food-wise. Well, let's talk about some of the other aspects of this. So the mouth feel is wonderful. It's got a not a chewiness really, but it just kind of rolls over the tongue, smooth. I'm trying to place that final flavor. It might have something to do with the sweetness of the figs and the agave, but there's something more complicated going on than just apples going on here. Heat. All right, so this on my scale with the burning in the lips, we're gonna say it's gonna be a high 3. But the flavor of the onion is really coming through. I'm sorry if I seem a little. I'm trying to think this through because sea bass, baked sea bass, thick cut, placed over top just at the end of while you're cooking the sea bass, so it kind of settles in. I think the thickness of the sauce almost acts as a marinade, but I think it'll saturate the fish in a way that'll not only give it that flavor that you want, bring out something different. So yeah, cuts of sea bass. That's what I'm going with this. Not that it can't be used for anything else, but that's what strings to mind. I was trying to really get to it. The heat is wonderful. Like I said, it's definitely a 3. Push it close to a 4. Like I said, my lips are burning. The flavor is just wonderful. Wow. Okay, so I'm definitely going to have to try some more sauces from both these companies. As I said, I've tried Fresco sauce, one of the sauces before. I think I did a video on it last year, about this time maybe. I don't remember what it was, but both of these need to be explored. Lucky Dog. That lips are still burning. Good job on that. And I think that's that combination of that scorpion mash, scorpion pepper, and the ghost pepper at the end there. But yeah, that's a good sweetness. Okay, so we're gonna do some food items with this. If you haven't checked it out, on Facebook you can go to a site called For the Love of Hot Sauce. A lot of us post pictures of food that we create using hot sauces and hot peppers. It's a lot of fun. So check it out. And check me out. I'll be doing some hot peppers, speaking of which, very soon. I like doing fresh peppers. It's a good experience, and I'm getting to the point where I can get through the super hot peppers and get to the flavor profile of them. So I'm building up my tolerance, so to speak. Alright, Lucky Dog, Fresco sauce. Check them out. This is Starfish of Fire. Once again, I'll be back. I'm out.